Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export a video with 4K quality on InShot application. Alright guys, here I have opened my InShot application, and first of all, I'm going to open my project. So here I have just created a project on my InShot application, and for example, I'm going to export this video with 4K quality. So we just need to click on the save button, then click on the resolution, and if you want to export with 4K quality, we just need to click on this 4K option. Okay, and after that you can click on save, then the video will be saved to your device. You just need to wait until the process is complete. Alright guys, and that's how we can export the video with 4K quality on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.